Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Tour. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. In case you have missed previous session of Postman beginner tutorial, make sure you go once and learn after this session. So today's topic is how to send GET request from Postman. So basically, GET request is used to retrieve the data from the server. Now we'll show you practically how we can retrieve data from the server through Postman. So before creating the API from here, just we need to create workspace first. So for that, just click on this arrow and click on create new and give the workspace name. So my workspace name will be test underscore workspace, and the summary is optional. If you want, you can give. And if you will come to type, if you are working in a team, just click on team, but I'm working for my personal purpose, so I will click on personal and click on create workspace. Now we can see our workspace name is test underscore workspace. Now we'll create API. So for that we need to click on this new button and click on request and write request name. So my request name will be get employees, and this request description is optional. If you want, you can give and click on create collection. So for this information, I will create separate video of collection. So as of now, I will tell you what is collection. So basically collection is a group of API, and we will learn more regarding collection in my upcoming videos. So click on create collection and give the name underscore collection and click on this sign and click on save to API collection. You can see under this collection tab we have API underscore collection, and if you click to API underscore collection you will find one get request that we have created earlier. Now coming to this part, we have get request here, right? So if you click to this arrow, we can find many methods, but we need to use get methods here. So we'll click on get and we need to enter URL. So before you entering this URL, I will tell you one very good website, and the website name is dummy.listapiexample.com. So the main motto of this website is to provide free API. So we can use this API, all the API methods without any authentication. So I will be taking this API and I will copy this whole URL, and we need to go to the Postman tool and just paste it here and click on send button. So we have got a response, and in the response we got many things. If you'll see, we got status as success and many data we got. Just scroll down once and we'll see how many data we have got. So totally we have 24 employees data. So by seeing this URL only we can understand we will get employees data. So we can see here we got ID, employee's name, employee salary, employee age, profile image. So this data we have got for every data which is there in the response. And if you come to this part, we have got status code as 200 OK. It means our API is working fine. And the time which took is 220 millisecond, and the size is 1.58 KB. Now if you'll see this part, we have many tabs here like params, authorization, headers, body, prerequisite script, tests, and setting. So params as of now we are not using. If in future or if you want to use in your API you can use, but in this get request I'm not using, so that is why I'm not passing any key value pair. And if you want to authorization, so but this API we are not using any authorization, so no need to keep. So in case if you are working in any organization and you want to authorize, then in that case you need to give you need to give authorization here. Now comes to header part. By default, Postman is providing 8 headers here. So in case in future if you are creating any API needs more headers, in that case we need to add header here. And if you come to body part, since we are using get request here, so we are not using any body here. Pre-request we are not giving, so that is why it is empty. Test, for test we have various session, so I will tell you regarding test how to test the response by using test tab. And in settings we are not using, so that's why we are not using here. So this is it from this session. In the next upcoming video we will learn how to send post request from Postman. So don't forget to subscribe the channel in case if you have not subscribed. Thank you all and take care.